Hey guys, we're in Ikea. So guys, I'm gonna do a transform me. If I get LAGNAT again, I already punta to Ikea. I will give Easter egg. So yeah, if I get lost right now, it's elevator. It doesn't know what it is. I don't know what I'm doing. We're in my house. So guys, look going from the kitchen. What in the world? Sun. Look at the stone. We're in the kitchen, guys. We're in the kitchen. This item is Ikea. So guys, this is part 3 because I accidentally stopped the video. Nah. Guys, is this real bread or not? Guys, someone eat the bread. Someone eats this fake bread. It's not real. It's home. TV. Why is it so comfy? I can sit here. Guys, I'm reading books. Look! Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Oh no, who's that? I'm confused. Where am I? I can sleep in here. Okay, yes. It's reading language. Come here. Ano mo?
Promising. What's that? Agad ka daw sa leeg. Ano yun?
Gray.
That's an ugly cut. You can say about, are you tired?